There are so many websites to get data bundles in Ghana, but in today's video, I'll show you the cheapest website to get your MTN or Telecel or any other network bundle on it. And in today's video, make sure you do also subscribe and comment anything you don't understand in this video or my other videos. And check my description. My WhatsApp group is over there, so you can check it out. Now let's get into the video. So now, first of all, if you are using Safari, like this app, or you are using Google Chrome, you can use any of these to set this website I'm about to tell you. So if you are new here, make sure you do well to subscribe and let's continue. So tap on your Safari and you're searching for jeffreysdata.com. Okay, jeffreysdata.com, and you search it. So once you search it, this is how the website looks like. Okay, so if you tap here, you can see the three lines over here. Tap on register. Once you tap on register, you can add your full name, email address, phone number, password. Then you just tap on create. So once you create, make sure you just sign in into your account. Okay. So this is very, very simple for you to sign up. So once you sign up, this is how the page looks like if you tap on anything right here. Okay. So if you tap on choose option or data site, you can see you have 1 gig for just 5 Ghana cedis, 2 gig for 11 Ghana cedis. You can see these are all good and they are non-expiry. Okay. So all you have to do is enter the number you want to do the data on over here gently. Then you just tap on add to cart. Once you tap on add to cart, you have to check the cart over here. Okay. I think the network is really, really bad, but this is how you should do it. You just select the data and tap on add to cart. Tap on cart, you can see, you're going to see this is where the data will go. So tap on proceed to make your payments on it. So tap on place order and they are going to deduct the money from your account. Okay, this is very, very simple. So this is what you can do to pay your data. Okay, so let's verify everything from pay start is sent us right now. So this is it. So you can see pay with the mobile money, pay with card, or pay with bank transfer. So I'll choose to pay with mobile money. You enter your mobile money account over here and just tap on confirm. So you're going to send the prompt for you to enter your code to pay for the data. So it's very, very simple over here. So once you are done, it's going to do the data automatically for you. And if you want to check your orders, this is what you have to do. Tap on these 3 lines right here. You tap on your name and you tap on my orders. Okay, once you tap on the orders, you're going to see your orders. And also, if you buy data from 5 gig going, you're going to get a spin. Okay, so tap on profile to check this one. Once you buy data from 5 gig going, you can spin a few and you get money. And also, you can get money by referring your friends to us. So you can check this out from the referral program. Okay, so I'll leave the link to this website in my bio, so make sure you check it out. And my name is Hanson. Let me see you in my next video.